Okay, let's create game menu on Game Engine. Right click in Scene Graph, create empty, name it Game Manager. We're gonna need it later. Right now, let it sit there. Next, right click in Scene Graph, UI element, rename it Game Menu. Right click on Game Menu, add Children UI element, and rename it Restart. Then click on your new created button. Oh no, first let's press on game menu. Open, and you will see in transform layers. Make it one, and here you can change its position and its scale. Let's make this a text game menu. So when we open it, we will see that the game menu is open. Choose font, choose color, and you can edit scale as well. This square is this button. So for now, let's turn it off so it won't obstruct us. So on transform, yes, we don't need to do anything. On the behavior, we can choose background image for it. For example, like this. All images that you have on the project, you will see them. You will be able to choose them. Let's choose just a random picture. And let's make text be inside that picture so it would look nice. And change the height. Let's play around with it little so it would look somewhat decent. So on behavior you will see some other stuff that we won't touch, but gonna need them on our button. So button for restart. Again, we can change where it is. Let's change layer on 2, so it would be over the game menu itself. And on text, let's write restart. Let's choose font, color. Okay, let it be like that. And now open behavior. On behavior, choose allow hover and then allow click. This will make button to detect our cursor and let it click on it. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, and in behavior, and we choose when hover, we can write two scripts in it. In callback and out callback. In callback is when you hover in and when you hover out. So in callback, let's write one line that will restart the scene when we press on this button. Oh, sorry, we need to open this and write game dot restart that's all. Now the button. Oh no, sorry. No. When hovered, we want to make it to make a sound. So I'm gonna write cave dot play sound brackets. Let's gonna play a new sound 6.ogg. Never forget to write .ogg. I usually forget it. Now it's gonna play this audio file that inside my project every time I hover it. Okay. And then when clicked, on clicked we're gonna need to write code inside out callback. So when you click and write and then click out, it's gonna detect the click. Let's write here cave dot restart current scene and brackets. So now when we're gonna press on it, it's gonna reload this scene. For now, when we start the game, as you see, we can't really do anything. We need a code for game to know when we press ESC, so it would open, and a code for mouse cursor, so it will let go the mouse cursor, so we can actually manage this game menu. I got script in project. I'm gonna share it on description so you can use it as well. It's called game menu, and here it is. To use it, let's choose game manager, add component, logic, Python component. And here, let's search for game menu. Let's add component. Disable it for now. Now when we start the game, you can press. You see the cursor is for camera. Now I press ESC. It's gonna give back my cursor. You can hear press restart, and you see it restarts the scene itself. Next, we are going to make a quit button. Simply, we can just like Shift D and duplicate it. Rename it quit. Let's position it. Oh, okay. Let's first show them so we can see that. Okay, no, I can't go lower. Oh, it's because this is too high, I guess. Oh, rename it quit as well. Let's make it here. Behavior, we already have working callback. We just need to change the clicking code. Here we write cave dot quit game brackets, and that's all. That's the only change we needed to do for it to work. And we can make a button. Let's duplicate. That's gonna change the scene itself. again. Let's duplicate one button. I have no idea why he doesn't allow me to go even lower. Interesting. Okay, let's ignore that and rename it main menu. So we can in game, so we could go back to our game's main menu instead of quitting whole game. And let's rename it main menu. And in behavior, on click out, let's change this line to game dot set scene in brackets main menu. It and also we need to create the scene itself. So and call it main menu. Let's hide it. Let's test it out. Press ESC, it opens and closed. It gives back our cursor from the camera. Audio works. We press restart, it restarts. We press quit, it quits the game. Okay, turn it back on. We press main menu, it changes scene to main menu. And that's pretty much it. Almost no coding needed, except if you want to make it like give back cursor to you and won't freeze the game. Also, oh yes, this code makes games like still going. Usually it just pauses whole scene, but this code makes the game like still keep going. So that is easy. I'm gonna put the script inside description so you can use it and you can test it out yourselves as well.